Hello netizens, do you want to save your phone contacts or SMS from your SIM card? It's very easy to do. If you want to do that, then this video is just for you. Please watch the video from beginning to end. Don't skip any part. And if you are new to our channel, so don't forget to subscribe and click over here the bell icon so you can get more helpful video like this one. So let's begin and start. Now you can go your Play Store and search over here SMS backup and restore. And first of all these apps. Now you can see there's many people are downloaded it and so install it. So waiting for until it loading here. So now can you button the open this interface all above these apps. So accept this. So you can now allow this all above. After that you can see setup and backup. Click over here. Now you can see messages and call logs. So what would you like this backup? This allow all thing about it in the bottom side. So click over here. You can choose your phone, then the internal app folder. Click over here, OK. After that you can redirect. Do not remind me again. Over the settings. And you can allow settings alarm. And now you can choose weekly. And here as you can see every Sunday what are the day. So click over here, you chosen. As you choose, click over here. Now you can see it's automatic redirect and render of backup in progress. And click over here view details. You can see now you can all backup call logs and SMS. You can show everything. So now you can send this file on your WhatsApp, any kind of sources here. Click over think. Now you can see what you want. Now I can choose for myself. So I can see it's automatically easy to way. Okay, now you can choose restore. It will be redirect and allowing this one. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and stay with us and get more helpful video in the future.